to the tap dancing competition. We have Haven. Haven, raise your hand. We have Avani. Avani, raise your hands. Woo! We have Journey. Okay. Get your tap dance on your marks. Get set. Tap it out, girls. Woo! Oh, yeah.
Wait, let's do one at a time. So Haven was first.
Okay, Haven, tap it out, girl. Oh, yeah, that's pretty.
That's Avani's turn.
Now Avani's turn. Woo!
That's my turn.
Okay, back it up so I can see ya. Okay, now Haven's turn again. Sweet! Now Avani's turn. Come forward so I can see ya. Woo! There we go. No, Avani, let Avani have a turn. Nice, nice. Okay, now we're at, oh, whoa, whoa, holy, 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 holy. Okay, now everyone all at the same time, tap together. Woo! Tapping girls, tapping girls. Now everyone come together, all together. Hug it out, hug it out. A little bit too hard. Now everyone stand in one straight line. Stop. You're okay. Okay, now everyone's gonna go to their bow, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, bow. Oh, beautiful. Good job, girls. Woo!